Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 14, longest common prefix. So we're told that we need to write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, we need to return an empty string. And we're given two examples. We're given an input array called strings containing flower, flow, and flight. And we can see that FL is the longest common prefix for all of these strings. And for this example, there is no common prefix for the input strings, so we would just return an empty string. And we are given some constraints over here. So the way we can do this is by setting a base prefix. So we'll set the base prefix to, for example, in this example, it would be flower. And then we'd look at flow and we'd say, does flow start with flower? And the answer is no. So we'll truncate the end of flower. So now we get FLOWE. Does flow start with that? And the answer is no. So we truncate flower again, and now we are left with the FLOW, flow. Does flow start with flow? Yes, it does. So we move on to the next string. We say, does flight start with flow? And the answer is no. So we truncate again, and we get FLO. Does flight start with FLO? The answer is no. So we cut off again from the end. And now we are left with the FL. So now we've sliced off the end, and we've got FL only. Does flight start with FL? And the answer is yes. So we can return FL. So let's code this up in Python. So we need to set our prefix to the first string of the array of strings that we're given. So we set the prefix to strings O, and then we need to say for string in strings while our string does not start with our prefix, we can truncate our string, our prefix. So we can do this by like this in Python. And we can also add a condition over here that if our prefix is empty, so if our prefix becomes an empty string, then we can just simply return an empty string. And if we finish from our for loop without successfully, we can simply return the prefix variable, which will contain our longest common prefix. So let's run submit. Oh, we made a typo. So it's STRS. And there we go. You can see we've got an extremely efficient solution. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.